friends, good evening. I'm here to show you the paneer tikka. For the paneer tikka, you need to cut the paneers in the cubes, in the same equal cubes. If you want, you can put the seedless tomato also, and then you need to put the capsicum and onion of the same size. For the marination, hung curd, garam masala, coriander powder, chaat masala and ginger garlic paste is needed. I don't have the big stick, so I am using this toothpick for the paneer tikka. Once I'm complete with the marinations, I'll show you how to do and how to finish this paneer tikka. You can make at the home at this quarantine time. Now you have to mix all the ingredients together. You can use the crushed pepper or the pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients together and combine everything. Add salt to the taste at the end of the marination so it doesn't leave the water. Okay, so now the marination is done. I have used oil and red chili to give the color. You need to heat the oil and put 1 tablespoon of red chili in the hot oil, and you need to keep it for the overnight, and then you have to use the oil for the coloring. And now you need to take the paneers and you need to marinate it properly and keep it in the refrigerator for more than 30 minutes. And if you keep it for 2 hours, then it will give you the best taste. After you keep it for the 30 minutes in the refrigerator, what you need to do is you need to take the toothpick or the stick if you have at your home, and then put the veggies, and then you can preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and you can grill it for 25 minutes. Or you can do it on the tawa. I'll do it on the tawa so that you can also do it easily. Once the marination is done, I'll show you the video how to cook this. So as you can see, my oven is already preheated. It is just 5 minutes to go. I have put my tikkas in the stick and I just need to grill it for 25 minutes or 15 minutes, depends upon how tender your paneer is. Okay, so I am putting it inside the oven. It will take almost 15 to 20 minutes to completely cook and grill. Depends upon you if you want to use oven, or you can make it on tawa also. Now you can see I am using the non-stick pan. If you use the non-stick pan, that will be better. You can put some oil if you want a little bit so that it won't stick. And then you have to put the tikkas like this. At the medium flame, please turn the sides so that it can cook perfectly from all the sides. Cook on medium flame for 5 to 12 minutes and it's done to eat. You can accompaniment it with the mint chutney. You can accompaniment it with the dips. You can use the sauce. Depends upon how you wish to. See, now as you can see, I'm turning it side by side so that it can cook from all the sides.